Hi, thank you for watching my video and taking out this time. My name is Tisha. I spoke to Marlene yesterday in regards to doing this video, so I just want to shoot over a quick video in regards to your website and how you're doing in comparison to your competition. So today, just going to go over 3 points: content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that you see throughout the website. So words, videos, pictures, what the pictures are saved as, what's behind the pictures. The more content that you have on your actual website, um, works in your favor. You're able to put more keywords within the website. I do recommend doing at least 115, excuse me. Hi, thank you so much for taking out the time and watching this video. My name is Tisha. I spoke with Marlene yesterday in regards to doing this video. Just want to send over a video just showing how you're doing in comparison to your competition and some tips for improving your traffic that comes to your website. So, today we'll be talking about three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So, content is anything that you see throughout your website. So, words, pictures, videos, what the pictures are saved as, what's behind the pictures. I do recommend having at least 1,500 words, so that way you can put more keywords into the actual website. Now, the next thing would be citations. Now, citations is anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address can be found. Now, I was noticing that you do have your business information on Facebook and Angie's List, Better Business Bureau. So these are some really good websites. It also can be found on Yelp as well. The next we'll talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks are any links that lead to your website and have people come to the website and brings in more traffic. So those backlinks can be found on the same website that we just mentioned, as well as sometimes people will have it, a company might have your link on there and it will lead someone back to your website. Now, not all backlinks are alike. Some are better than others. So if you were to get a backlink coming from a restaurant versus coming from a hardware store, for example, then that might be a difference in the traffic that it brings in. So now let's look at your competition. So first, let's start off with looking at, I Googled plumbers in Sacramento. This is our map pack. So these are the businesses that have Google My Business. So this is really important to have your business listed here. Oftentimes people Google for a certain service or company. They'll call the first company that they see or go directly to the website. Now, organically, when you do the research, Bonnie Plumbing actually comes up first. So that's going to be your biggest competition. So let's go over to their website. Okay, so this is Bonnie Plumbing's website. So just want to show you this. Now they have a lot of keywords here, list all their services, so it's very easy to navigate and find, which you also have on yours as well. Now let's just look at some of the differences though. So this is a tool that I use called SEM Rush, shows exactly what's how your website is doing. So for your website right now, you're utilizing 592 keywords. So these are the words that people type into Google when they're looking for a service or a company. So these are words that's going to have people brought over to your website. And then you can see here the traffic that is bringing in. So that's 313 per month. And so that's how you're doing. Now these are some of the keywords that they're typing in to get over to you. Some of these are branded with your company. Now when they were to put, if they put in plumber Sacramento, you're in the 12th spot, or affordable plumbing, the 21st spot. Okay. Another thing we can look at would be your pages. So this is on your main website. And I'm showing that you have 56 backlinks. So these are websites that lead people back to your website. The next we're going to be looking at is Bonnie Plumbing. Now, one of the big differences is that they utilize almost 6,000 keywords, and that's going to be throughout their websites. So when people are typing in for different services, then they're going to have more people come to their website because of the keyword. And then you can see a huge increase in traffic as well. So they're bringing in well over 8,000 per month, and then here's their traffic. In addition, as I mentioned, backlinks are always good for the business. So with their main site, then they have over 1,900 backlinks. So there's a lot of traffic going over to their website. So I just want to show you just some things and some tips that may help you bring in new business. One of the things that I do is help people, add some more of those keywords to your website. Now, if you would like to talk further in regards to some of the tips that I provided, please feel free to give me a call, 916-378-9773. Or if you want to keep these tips for yourself and just do them on your own, then you're welcome to do so. Either way, if you can just send me some feedback, I'd appreciate that. Again, thank you for taking time out to watch my video. You have a good day.